saying, Eddie? Hi. Uh-huh. Can you say mama?
Ow.
Are you pinching Daddy's ear?
He's twisting it.
What are you doing? Ouch. You like Daddy's ears. It's a good thing. Don't pull your own now.
They don't detach.
Despite the earlobes being detached. You love me, Daddy. Mwah.